Are you an asset owner? Do you find yourself struggling to find asset information, maintenance data, and records? Well, fret no more. We have the perfect solution that will change the game for you. Introducing Nextechscan, a tag designed to revolutionize the way you manage assets in a single tap. With its cutting-edge technology, Nextechscan offers unparalleled performance and efficiency, making asset management more efficient and effective than ever before. Asset owner, ever since we started using Nextechscan on our assets, asset management has become so much more efficient. Personnel working on each asset can access asset data by tapping their mobile or iPad on the asset tag in less than 30 seconds. It's truly remarkable. Maintenance superintendent, I used to struggle with knowing which asset has been overhauled, but with Nextechscan I just tap my iPad on the asset Nextech tag and access asset data in a second. I save so much time and effort. As an asset owner, Nextechscan is your ultimate companion. So why wait? Visit our website now at nextechscan.com.au to find out more about our products and services. Don't settle for less when you can have the best.